Hey, good morning, Bob. Trade Genius, the 2nd of June. I want to talk about the miners, like I said yesterday. And oh, by the way, that move on Tron is 8% and counting, and then we have Bitcoin up 3% to boot. So nice little kicker on that. If you traded it off the video, move your stop up and enjoy the ride. So here is the miners on the weekly, and last week we had a lot of what's called bullish engulfing patterns, which are extremely bullish. That means that during the week they tested price down lower than the week prior, and then they closed the week higher than the prior week. And we're looking strictly at the bodies here of the candles where it's filled, not the wicks. And the first one to point to you is ALO, and looks pretty nice. And the reason why these should be really interesting to everybody is if we think gold and silver is going to be turning back up for another run towards the highs, this is what the market valued ALO last time gold was pushing 1340, 1380 area, 1400. And now, the measured move is at least probably to try to get to that top, and the measured moves over 1500. So I think these price areas are going to be attacked again. So you're looking at probably a 70% potential opportunity here for ALO, and then you go into AG, another bullish engulfing pattern, and AG just a year ago was at $10. So a great opportunity. Stokes are lining back up again, and my expectation is that they're going to push higher. We got easy stops now too, so at the bottom of these weeklies, if we're wrong, that's where we're going to be getting. So we're going to be bailing out of these trades. Okay, here's the EXK. Now just to let you know too, I'm in ALO. I didn't re-enter AG yet, and I had my finger on the trigger on EXK. I haven't pulled it yet. It's just barely over the week prior. Last week it was the close was 174 to 179, but I have my finger on the pulse. I'm probably going to pull the trigger on EXK next week, and then we go to look at gold. This is where my biggest position is. Classic, massive bullish engulfing pattern. In fact, they even engulfed the whole candle from the week prior. And looking on this on a daily, it was a very frustrating move for me because it was pushing down from 1400. I mean, it looked like the floor was going to come out of it, and I just didn't understand it at all. And this week, nice explosion. And so now we got to get follow through on this and start grinding this thing higher. Once it breaks this range here, it's going into the 20s, and when you get gold to new highs, this should be in the 50s. So that's why I like it so much. Plus, it's profitable, pays a dividend, and so it's it should have some stability to it, you would think, and potential for growth. That's why I like it so much. Goro, not so much yet. I'm really surprised at Goro. Goro's still struggling here a little bit. But it's at the bottom of the channel, so it's probably going to be a good opportunity for a bounce at some point. Great Panther, another opportunity, not quite yet. We got a money maker buy on it, so it'll probably be good for going into next week. We own this one. This is Gold Standard Ventures, and we're profitable on this trade. We've held this trade now for weeks, and now I think it's going to make its next move. I think right here's next is 115. It's where we have our target at the moment, and if we're still in a positive price move, I'll move that target up to here, and then up to here. But I think this is a tremendous opportunity. This is the last time they thought gold was going to break out. So you're looking at another 70% opportunity. Okay, I bought Heckle out, just some options, just because it's pretty washed out, and but it's not quite ready from a technical pattern. I'm just looking for some short squeezes on some of these here coming up. Kinross. Kinross looks great. Mag Silver, we're in and out of Mag Silver a lot. Okay, Mag Silver looks good too. And what else do I want to show you? I think that's it on the minor side. I also own UUUU for different reasons, but it's also doing a really nice hammer, bottom of the channel. This is a news play for me with the way Trump has been acting in terms of protecting domestic industries. I'm looking for an opportunity for this thing to really rock it. So there's some miners there. There's a lot more miners than that's just that are trading, and they all look like this. So I think this is a broad base shifting of assets into the metals and miners, and I think there's going to be an opportunity for a tremendous trade and profit for us. So anyway, thanks for listening. It's our focus for the summer, and I think with the infrastructure plays coming and the amount of money they're going to spend going into the election, I think this is going to be a good opportunity for us. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.